The word steadfast is where you get the word fasten. Why do you fasten your seatbelt? Why? So that if collision accident happens and the impact is strong, hangka maipurwat. Hangka mayadayo dito gomo. Hangka maiwarsi. You will be unmovable. Do you know why you get easily moved? Because the word fasten, listen to me now, in the Bible, is related with the mind. It has something to do with the mind. Ano't i-fasten mo? Jai, panunot mo. Amo ito example to fasten your mind, steadfast in the faith. It's just like the three friends, Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego. And the king said, he signed a decree, nga siya sinuman nga han nga grukbab ka dijain patakder na nga bulto nga dakkel. What happens? Will be thrown into the fiery furnace. To hanga grukbab. And so here comes the moment. All the instruments were sounded. It's time to worship the statue. Everybody bowed down. Agluto, insardeng nagluto. Nagiti nakasakay kabalyo, nagsardeng. Walking, they all stopped and bowed to the statue. But Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego were standing up. That's faith. When the world, the popular, almost everybody bowed to the statue. And you know you're a Christian. You know the Bible. You are a Baptist. May conviction ka. Ang mundo ay sumunod, pero you will stick to the Word of God. Hindi lahat ng uso ay tama. At hindi lahat ng tama umuuso. Look, lahat na ng tao, they bowed to the statue. That's the majority. But these three did not bow down. Why? They know their faith. And they made up their mind. And Daniel said in his heart, I will not defile myself. So amoy ti kasapulan tayo. Listen to me now. You know the faith and fasten your mind. Make a decision. Resolve, Lord, I will follow Jesus. No turning back. The Lord before me, the cross before me, the world behind me. No turning back. Wala kong pakialam kahit itong post na ganito ay sikat sa mundo, I know where I stand. Listen to me. The people who move the world are the people whom the world cannot move. If you will only make a stand, you will make a difference, you will successfully shine. You will move the world.